Hello viewers, you are welcome to this channel. This is UXC Mobility, a program on vehicle management, common causes of road accident, and general safety tips. This topic is so much interesting for vehicle users, drivers, passengers, for all those who use the highway for different purposes. This topic is mastering hill descents. Choosing the right gear to use while at the steep hills. Using gear 4 or 5 while descending steep hill is generally not recommended, as these gears are higher and are designed for higher speeds on flat roads. When descending hill, it is safer and more efficient to use lower gear. That is gear 1, 2, or 3. Here are some of the reasons why you are to use gear 1, 2, or 3 while descending steep hills. 1. Engine braking. Lower gear provide engine braking, which means the engine resists the movement of the vehicle and helps slow it down. This reduces the need for continuous brake application, which can lead to brake overheating and wear. 2. Control. Lower gear allowed for better control of your vehicle speeds while descending steps hill. If you use higher gear like 4 or 5, your vehicle may gain too much speed, making it difficult to maintain control. 3. Safety. Using higher gear, that is 4 or 5, can be risky, especially on steep hills, as your vehicle may pick up excessive speeds beyond control. If you rely solely on the brake to slow down, there can be overheat and lose effectiveness, compromising safety standards. You can see this video. The driver used or he engaged gear 4 or 5 while descending steep hills. The vehicle was seriously engaged in accident and many lives were lost. Stay tuned as you watch.
See this girl? Tikuna. Kí ló ń kú nísìnyí? All of them.
No, remain small. You never go.
Oh.
You can see what happened in this video that you have just watched. Number 4 reason, while you are to engage gear 1, 2, 3 to descend steep hill. Number 4 reason is fuel efficiency. Using higher gear while descending can lead to fuel consumption. Finally, when descending hill, it is best to use lower gear to take advantage of engine braking, maintenance control, ensure safety, and safer fuel. Higher gear like 4 or 5 should generally be reserved for flat land. So you have learned from this video or from this topic the gear you are to engage while descending steps hill. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. You will be happy you did. Thank you and remain safe.